While we do not condone speeding, we acknowledge the fact that drivers do exceed the speed limit from time to time. Whether it's in a rural part of the US with a long and uneventful freeway, or the road has just opened up after being stuck in traffic, drivers like to stretch their car's legs every now and then. That's where a radar detector comes in handy. So long as they're legal in your state. They're currently illegal in Virginia and Washington, D.C., and only legal in Saskatchewan, Alberta, and British Columbia in Canada. There are many products available to choose from, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews of customer, and compiled a list of the best radar detectors from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Escort Passport S55 Radar Detector. This is the latest addition to the Passport lineup of radar detectors from Escort. Touted as one of the most advanced, high-performance radar and laser detectors on the market, the Passport S55 offers long-range warning on all radar and laser bands, long-range K and Ka bands, including instant on-pop mode. One exclusive feature on this device is auto-sensitivity, which intelligently filters out false alarms. You can also choose between highway, auto, and auto no-X settings. Compatible with Escort Live, this radar detector provides access to an exclusive real-time ticket protection network that warns you of upcoming alerts received and reported by other users in the area. It also gives you access to local speed limit data for overspeed alerts. Customization settings include power on indication, meter type, auto mute, brightness level, audio tones, and selectable radar. Number 2. Redenso XP Radar Detector. Even by just looking at our list of recommendations, you can probably tell that there are just a few brands that dominate the radar detector market. Redenso may not be as well known as brands such as Cobra and Whistler, as the company was founded in 2012, but the Redenso XP is a great option with plenty of features. Designed to alert up to several miles away, the Redenso XP is designed to deal with today's modern technologies on the road, filtering out false alerts from systems like blind spot monitors, radar cruise control, and traffic sensors. It covers several bands including Ka, K, and Pop, displaying all the necessary information through an OLED display. It also uses GPS lockout to remember common false alerts along regular routes, further removing false alerts. This unit also supports voice alerts with 260 different messages, selectable radar bands, the ability to display up to 3 signals. Number 3. Escort Passport Radar Detector. The Escort Passport 9500X is more expensive than most radar detectors, but it's also one of the highest rated and most popular on Amazon. The unit delivers long-range warning on all radar bands including X, K, super wide Ka, and instant on-pop modes. It features multiple front and rear laser sensors, providing 360-degree protection, helping prevent against false alarms from automatic door openers, motion sensors, and other radar-based sensors. Is the Passport 9500X's GPS-powered intelligence. The detector also comes preloaded with thousands of red light and fixed position speed camera locations throughout North America. This detector is also compatible with Escort Live, an award-winning app that warns of upcoming alerts received and reported by other users in the area. The app also gives access to local speed limit data for overspeed alerts. Programmable features on the Escort Passport 9500X include power on indication, speed alert, auto learn, signal strength meter, auto mute, auto power, UNIS, voice, dark mode, radar laser. Number 4. Cobra Laser Radar Detector. Back to more affordable options, the Cobra Rad 450 is the final detector on our list. It uses Cobra's patented IF filter TM system, which reduces false alerts from sources like collision avoidance systems. It's a long-range detector with a range of at least 2 miles on flat open conditions. The Cobra Rad 450 can detect from both front and rear with its advanced laser eye sensor, and seeks out X, K, and Ka bands with signal strength indicator, laser, and VG2 signals. There is also digital voice announcements that provide band identification and easy-to-understand alerts, allowing the driver to keep their eyes on the road. On the front of the detector is an OLED display that's easy to read. Number 5. Escort Max. The Escort exists in the space between the Valentine's high sensitivity and the Redenso's adept filtering. With 6 false alerts on our suburban route, the Max 360C wasn't much quieter than the V1G N2. Fortunately, it has GPS lockout, and can learn to ignore fixed location triggers. The Max 360C gave ample warning in all 3 of our scenarios. Escort began parroting the V1's hallmark arrows back in 2015, but they're not as useful here. If the V1's arrows point out the threat in real time, the Max 360Cs seem like they're on a 5-second delay. That lag makes it difficult to know exactly where, and what, the radar is coming from. We like that you can slide the Max 360C on and off the S-Mag mount with one hand, and the power cord mute button can be handy, depending on where your car's 12-volt outlet is located. You'll pay a premium for the feature pack Max 360C. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.